In this video, I will show you how to edit WooCommerce shop page using Elementor. Let's get started. So as you can see right here, I just head over and click on pages, and I can now see all the pages I have on my store. So this is the preview of what my store looks like right now. This is my shop page. I can see in here my products. So if we want to actually edit it, scroll down until you can see the shop page. Click on this edit option. And then once I have done that, it will show me the WordPress editor right here. So this is actually the WordPress editor, and it's actually limiting. You can add some elements, but it's not a lot. And if you want to edit it out with Elementor, click on this edit with Elementor right here, and then it will show you itself in Elementor page. So just wait for this one to finish the loading process. Now in here, you can add some things like, for example, the products that you want to showcase. So on the products that you have right here, you can see in here a lot of widgets that you can use for this one. So there's a lot of things also that you can choose from. There's some general options, progress bar, social icons, menu anchor, and the likes. So you can just choose which one is actually the best widget for you. So for this one, let's choose this grid right here, and let's try to add this on this. Once it's been added, as you can see, this is what it will look like. Now you can choose the style, the advanced as well. So in here, you can just click another thing, which is this one. Now you can click on this plus icon right here in order to add a widget. So for this one, let's try to add in here an image. So let's just drag this image right here and let's add that to that. Then from in here, click on this choose image, and then just choose the image that you want to add. So let's try to add this image that I have of my product. Click on the select right here, and then you can just head over and then try to add some few more things in here as well. So for example, let's try to add a few more things like text and the likes. So let's add in here a text editor. Let's add that right here, and you can actually add in here some text. So for example, this hoodie is good or stylish. So you can add few more things that you want for this product page or shop page of yours. So just try to edit out however you want it to be, and once you're done with that, click on this update option and you should be good to go. So that's the whole process. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps reach more people. See you soon.